Yep, we're getting ready to get on the Riverwalk. Over there is the Inn at the Rivers where we're staying. We love that place because we get to get a room down there on the bottom floor, and we can keep our bikes there, keep them chained up. So I am ready. Yep, let's go. Let her take the lead. Going under the parkway. Nice and cool under here. It's about 78 degrees, I'm thinking. We're hoping it stays that way. We went riding last night and storm come up on us real quick. We ducked into this little place called Little Dolly's. Some of you may know about that place. It's up here. It's just got a bunch of like quilts and homemade dresses for dolls and all that. We're stuck in that thing for like 30 minutes. It wasn't fun, but we were dry. Waited it out. It came down a monsoon. We got a little spot where we could take off, cleared up, looked like we were clear to go, so we took off. There was water everywhere. Got back to the room. About 10 minutes later, the bottom fell out again. So Lord watched out for us. It was awesome. Some of you may or may not know about this little river walk. We love this thing. Kind of keeps you off the parkway. You get to see the backside of a lot of places that you see from the road. One of the parking areas. This to the right is the track that's getting ready to close down. It's been here for a long time on that corner. It's going to be different. A lot of people use this to walk their little puppies. It's like he's getting his exercise. Hey, buddy. And now we're coming up on. Oh, look at the little duck posse over here to the right. If you take your, if you're watching this at home, you can take your remote and just use that diagonal on there and look anywhere you want on this thing. You can take this camera anywhere you want to go. If you're watching on your phone, you can do the same thing by just swiping. Left, right, up or down. You guys can just look around. It's really cool. Coming up on the back side of the island here. And the back of the Pirates Voyage, little dinner theater. It's pretty cool. We've never been. We're not really much into dinner theaters. We've been to a couple. We haven't been to this one. Hey Ned, I'm gonna swing over here and see if the animals are out. I'll take you guys over here, see if the, oh, there they are. Look at him. Look at him. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Look at him swimming around in there. Getting ready for the show. We'll come back and see y'all later. Pretty cool, huh? Dad done run off and left us. She done hit the road. I gotta juice it up. Y'all, hold on. Here we go. Uh-oh. Low branches. Woo! There she is. Hey, all the little seals were out. Yeah. I smell food. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be good. Good. You want me to lead in the island? Are you good? You want me to lead through the island? Are you good? Huh? Okay, I'll pass you up here. You kind of have to watch it through the island here. You can stay on the sidewalk, but usually there's a lot of people. So we just get down on the road when no cars are coming and take off. There's Alcatraz. Wheel, everything pretty good. Ooh, that ice cream looked good that little girl had. Don't look too crowded down here. Yeah, it's not too crowded at all down here. Alright, let me make sure these folks stop. Sometimes they do, and sometimes they don't. Thank you, sir. Alright, we go down here. Hopefully nobody's coming this way across the bridge. Yeah, it looks like we're clear after these guys. Oh yeah, we're clear, I believe. Yeah, we better stop and wait. I was gonna wait till the traffic clear spot was piling behind somebody. You can see what I mean by it being crowded, like these shortcuts going across these bridges. Riding the Harley, riding the Harley, riding the Harley. Got the Harley. Oh, we're gonna jump in here behind this hall. What do you say? Me and Ned's gonna ride the hog behind the hog. We're gonna take a little piglet back here. Got a little piglet behind the hog. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm too busy laughing. Well, they can slow down, they ain't no hurry. I didn't want to make y'all on the Harley look bad, you know, with my ride back here. Yeah, yeah. Uh-oh. We might have to edit all this music out so we don't get dinged on it. You look like all right. This is the same river walk. We just kind of had to go through the aisle a little bit. It's not too bad. Let's go this way.
Okay,
this is where it gets really nice. Nah, think positive. Think positive. You want to take the lead? Look at her go. Go, big girl, go! Look at her go! Go, Speed Racer, go! You better slow down. You going to put that thing in the wall. You going 7.8, girl. 8.2, we're all gonna die. Oh no. Lord willing, guys, we'll come this fall, late fall, they decorate this thing, man, with Christmas lights, and it's so pretty in here. I don't know if this camera will pick it up and be able to show it to you, but we'll show try. This creek, if you look over here to your right and just pan to the right, that's Little Pigeon River, and it just runs this whole thing here. Some folks down there enjoying the water. Oh, little baby girl. She's probably having a blast. Better hurry up. Somebody running off leaving me. But as you can see, a lot of people come down here and hang out. It's a really cool place. Now this to the left, if you pan to the left, that's the parking lot, the end of the parking lot of the island, and it kind of connects over here with the LeConte Center. This bridge here goes over the Holiday Inn and back to where Crave Golf is. You want to go over that way. They're doing something over here at LeConte Center. This is where they have all the big car shows and a lot of conventions and stuff like that. Dang, I better quit running my mouth and go. She is gone. I want some ice cream. Y'all hold on. You might get bumpy. You get her on her bike, she gets serious. Gets her little. You start seeing the sides of that blouse start flapping, you better go. She gone. All these fellas over here trout fishing. Oh. This to the left, after we go through the bridge, is the Drury. This is the newest hotel. We were supposed to stay here, and we changed our mind, got a really good deal at our favorite, well, our second favorite hotel in on the river we're at now. And so we had to cancel here, but they were so nice here. The people were so good to work with. We'll probably stay here one day because they were just super nice. But you can access the walkway from there too. They've actually put a little concrete walk down there. Well, we got to dodge little piles of duck bombs. Look down there on the right, guys. There's a train standing back there on a rock. It's pretty cool. A lot of wildlife. We were actually riding up on Teaster Lane last night, which is the road up to my left, and I saw two beavers on the side of the edge of the grass. They got good grass up there, and I guess they just shimmy up there and get some good grass and go back. They were pretty good size too. Probably, I don't know, 40, 50 pound beavers. Oh, here I am running my mouth. you're ever riding this trail, you got to keep an eye to your back, because a lot of times the guys will ride these e-bikes, they'll just be going down through here. You'll hear, on the left, on the left. Or you might hear a little. That means get over to the right, because I'm fitting to blow right by you, Big Daddy. That's a new motel there too. I can't remember the name of that one. Oh, coming in hot. Coming in hot. You can go over right around the mill if you want. I don't think we're gonna worry about no rain. We ain't gonna worry about no rain. Everybody says they want to keep going, they don't worry about no rain. Oh, oh. Oh, that's hard on old man. Yes, we're coming up. Well, the end here. The little river walk, it ends here, and then it picks back up on the other side where the old mill's at. We'll show you that. There's a little pothead. Look at that pothead. What you smoking? Little ladybug, pan over here on the right. You can see a little ladybug. Now it ends right here. And then you go through this little neighborhood back here where the old mill's at. Cute little neighborhood. Cute little houses. Uh oh, she's feeling frisky. She's getting on the road. I think we can take her. You know, rubbing's racing, right? Yeah, and your little dog too.
Oh yeah, I forgot about her.
Now if y'all pan over here to the right, you can see Annette going hard at it on her little aphis. Work it, girl. Work it. Work it real good. Somebody's cutting grass. I smell it. We probably save $30 when we come up here just in gas riding these things. We come down here and eat, do whatever on these, hang out, don't have to drive and sit in traffic. Oh, bump. And to the right is a parking. If you look back here to the right, to the back a little bit, it's a little gravel area. If you ever come to the old mill, that's parking back here. It's free. You don't have to pay the $10 or whatever up here at the other parking place, which is a really good deal. And this to the right is basically where employees park, but you can park there too after hours and go eat. That's kind of a little secret we have. We use a lot. It's getting more and more popular. People are finding out about it. But all right, now coming up on Patriot Park. Oh. Patriot Park. This is Old Mill Lane, Road, Avenue. Right here. If you'll pan over to the right, you'll see the old mill. To the right. Pottery house is over to the right. This is the old trolley station here on the right. Used to catch the trolley. Now, if you'll pan over to the left, you'll see the new trolley station. That's where we like to go get our $3 trolley passes to Dollywood. Instead of paying $20 to park at Dollywood, we just go there and park right here. And go over there and ride the tram. Now here is where you pick it back up. This is called Little Pigeon River Walk, Patriot Park, and this goes all the way over to I guess Dollywood Lane is what that's called. Can't remember.
Mine's not smooth if I go on that.
You want to go that back way?
No. The cement's piece. I have to stay on smooth.
And I was having
okay. Well, go to the left.
I don't want to record.
Oh,
I don't have to record.
well, go to the left, and it's pavement. It's like we just been on. You see it? That goes back to where we came
I'll
out.
follow you.
Okay. All right, y'all ready? Hold on. Here we go. This is Patriot Park. Oh, look, she's already getting scared. The wind's blowing that way. There's another pothead. Nah. We ain't gonna get no rain. Y'all, I hope we don't get rain. I'll never hear the end of it. My man got headphones, so I gotta be careful. He might not hear me coming. Look at all the ducks. Duck, duck, goose. This little walking path here just circles the park here. Well, I was kind of waiting to see what they were doing with that little dog. Huh? Got a lot of goose piles you got to dodge out here too. But here's a campground. This is the KOA. Over here to the left. If I had a camper, that's where I'd be. Coming up your left. Love your shirt, man.
Thank you. Do you need prayer?
I can take any I get, but I pray all the time, bro. I'll pray for you. What's your name?
Talon.
Talon?
He asked your name.
Rick.
Rick?
Yep.
Have a good day, Rick.
You too, brother. See y'all out there, y'all pray for Talon. He's a good dude. You can just tell.
Yeah, for a young guy to say that.
Got the little puppies. Little puppies. This is really nice down here. If you look on your left, it's pretty clear down here. You can sit down here and just fish. She's just fishing. Now scan down to the left a little bit. See all these geese. They have geese. I'm telling you, there's got to be thousands and thousands of geese up here. We see them everywhere. They're coming in for landing on the left. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, look up here. Ned's up there, she's laying on the horn. Y'all hear? Good night, look at all the geeses. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, you filthy geese. Now y'all know why there's so many bombs on the trail. Alright guys, well, we're back up here, coming back to the back of Old Mill.
You want to go a different way down that side road of Old Mill and then go back to the path?
Yeah, we can do that.
That way it'd be a different route.
Alright.
Wait a minute, he's waiting on the ducks.
Oh yeah.
That was cute.
Everybody,
Them kids love them geese.
yeah, everybody's waiting on them geese and them ducks. Alright, here we go. Oh, y'all smell that? Old Mill fried chicken. Hush your mouth. That's some good stuff. I know, but it still smells good. She's up there yelling at me. We just got done eating. Oh, now I'm smelling pecan pie. Y'all never had the pecan pie at Old Mill? It is the best. I am somewhat of a pecan pie snob, and I can testify. That's some good pecan pie. People sitting around everywhere waiting, probably about an hour to go eat. And there she goes. Look, she done feeling all froggy now. She didn't even stop. She's like, I got this. I got this. I'm gone. Over here to the left, a bunch of little shops you may or may not have known about. Down from Old Mill while you're waiting to hear your name called for an hour. come down here. Look at some shops, nice little bookstore there. And over here to the right is a really cute little coffee shop. Hey, it's still open. And there go the cat house. Best little cat house in the Smokies. It's all cats in there, y'all. It's a trip. Here's that parking lot I was telling you about for the old mill. You just turn left, come right here. There's never any cars here. It's free. And on the left, look, there's a little rabbit by the telephone pole. Zoom down there, y'all. See the rabbit? You better stay away from the old mill. They'll cook you. So we're going back into that little neighborhood that we came out of earlier. That road's closed because I don't know what they're doing. They're doing something. More geese. I told y'all. Didn't I tell you? There's so many geese around here. Look, there's a... What are you sticking your tongue out for? Look at that thing to the right sticking his tongue out at me. I think that's gonna scare me. Dude, you will be on my table next morning. Now, oh, my hiney is hurting a little. These ain't the most comfortable seats. Ah, now we're smooth. Now this is the road we came in on. So we'll go back down the trail. I probably should have looked, seen how far we rode. It's been a couple miles. It's feeling cool out here. It's so nice. Kind of overcast, which I like. Ain't gotta worry about getting burnt. And here we are, back at the Riverwalk. So, hope you guys enjoyed this little Insty 360 video. I hope it works out for you. You can go back and watch it. You can turn it, look at it, just kind of go with us on this thing. But anyway, if you like our channel, guys, hit subscribe. Hit that notification bell. It'll let you know whenever we're gonna have videos out. And give us a like if you liked it. It helps the channel a lot. So help us try to get to as many subscribers as we can, because we like doing this and it sure helps. So anyway, thanks for watching, and remember, God bless, don't stress. You see somebody without a smile, give them yours. See you guys.